Yours? No, it's Garrett. Who's this?
Is that X?
X.
X?
It's Garrett.
What did Garrett do?
She's come. Mama, no.
On your nose? Did you get an owie on your nose?
That.
Was Garrett bad?
Stop.
Stop, Garrett, stop.
She's mad.
He's mad? Was Morgan mad?
No.
Did you cry?
Doctor Carly.
Were you sad?
It's sure sad. Garrett's sad.
Garrett was sad?
It's sure.
Did you hit Garrett in the nose?
Oh.
Oh, or did Garrett hit you?
Garrett happy.
He hit you?
Garrett happy.
He's happy? I'm glad he's happy. Because he's cute.
The cute.